I'm sure you've heard the news, game dev is tough, but it's also so rewarding. Let me help you skip some common pitfalls, so your first game isn't your last. Alright, let's talk about the top 5 mistakes new game developers make, and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, starting too big. We all dream of creating the next Elden Ring or Minecraft, but here's the truth. Start small. Your first game doesn't need to be a masterpiece. Think Pong, not Skyrim. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Mistake number 2, ignoring the fun factor. It's easy to get lost in cool graphics or complex mechanics, but ask yourself, is this fun to play? Even the simplest games can feel amazing if they're fun. Test it, get feedback, and tweak until you've got something engaging. Number 3, forgetting sound design. Seriously, don't underestimate how much a good soundtrack or sound effects can elevate your game. Even Mario had his iconic jump sound. Without audio, your game might fall flat, literally. 4th mistake, not planning properly. Jumping in without a clear plan is like trying to build IKEA furniture without instructions. Write down your goals, your deadlines, and tackle one step at a time. You'll save yourself a ton of headaches. And finally, mistake number 5, giving up too soon. Look, game dev is tough, you will hit roadblocks, but don't let them stop you. Every mistake is a lesson, and every success starts with persistence. Keep going, you've got this. So there you have it, 5 mistakes to avoid when starting out. Remember, every pro was once a beginner. Stay focused, keep learning, and one day, you might just create the next big hit. Now go make that game. And hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more game dev tips. See you next time.